What is going on, YouTube? This is Pabfloflo coming at you with another video, and today we're going to be cutting watermelon. Alright guys, so we know that safety is a definite must on this one. You know, don't tell OSHA we're doing this. Ready to rock and roll. Okay, today I have here is a Chicago Electric Power Tools 14-inch electric chainsaw, and I actually found this on the street. So it does work, so we're gonna test how good it works. And that we're gonna be testing with a water. Okay, and this, what we got is a watermelon, and we're gonna be cutting these two watermelons. And what they're gonna be doing is tossing it up. This is gonna be, what would you call it, like a fruit ninja?
Yeah.
Chainsaw ninja?
Redneck.
Chainsaw fruit ninja?
Redneck fruit ninja.
Redneck fruit ninja coming at you live. Alright guys, let's go see what we can do. Look at this. Yahoo! This is redneck. What do you call it? Redneck fruit ninja. Man, it's amazing. That's disgusting. Alright guys, now we're gonna go a little extra bigger. Oh my god, look at that. Dude, this thing's mush. Look at that, it's totally mush. Alright guys, so now time for our grand finale. Now, we got the big mother load on this thing. Woo-wee! What should we name this? Mama Juicy. Let's go test it out. Guys, please like, comment, subscribe. It cost me a good screen protector. But look at this. X marks the spot. Dude, what a waste of melon. I keep forgetting that thing uses oil, and that's all I taste right now. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video. Comment, like, subscribe, and share this amazing. Okay, that was not okay. Alright guys, hopefully I'll see you next time and have a nice one. I totally forget about making videos. I gotta clean all this crap up.